Just yesterday, Governor Susana Martinez announced sweeping changes to the state's child welfare system. A big part of that is more involvement with families. And that support is what some New Mexico dads say makes all the difference. Nikki Ibarra talked to one man who's working to be a better dad after spending time locked up.
The logo is simple, but the message and goal, huge. These words, what we do today affects generations to come, are words Joseph Shaw takes seriously.
I believe that in life you stand up for what you believe in, and I truly believe in this program.
Life's been a bit rough for Shaw. When he was only 9 years old, he started drinking, and things only got worse. Shaw became hooked on drugs. In 2011, he was arrested and spent a year in jail, but now he's making a change for his kids.
Things are turning out pretty good.
Thanks to Fathers Building Futures, a program through PB&J Family Services.
Please excuse me if I'm a little nervous.
Today, Shaw shared his stories in front of hundreds of people, from the social skills he's learned to the job training. He laid it all out. But he said the most important thing has been becoming a better father.
And to me, a family without a father is broken. You know, we're kind of the missing piece of the puzzle.
Shaw said his 9-year-old son and newborn daughter are now his priority. For many of the fathers in this program, their kids are with CYFD, an agency that's made headlines lately.
The most important thing for us.
Susanna Burke is with PB&J Services. Burke says she's pleased Governor Susana Martinez is making changes within CYFD. A step forward, yes, but still a lot of work needs to be done.
What I would also like to see is a lot more emphasis on prevention, on being there for families before the problems become so severe that children are hurt badly.
Because in the end, what these fathers want is to be there for their kids.
We are able to be a part of our children's lives again, because unfortunately we have made mistakes in our past. But now they help us to get past it, and we get more involvement with our children.
In Albuquerque, Nikki Ibarra, KOB, Eyewitness News 4.